In this video, I broke down the whole high ticket sales process. After watching this video, I can promise you that you'll be able to close $3,000 offers, $10,000 offers, and even $25,000 offers and above. I'm going to be going in detail, as I said, and breaking down the whole high ticket sales process, how the sales look like, what are the things that you are doing during your sales process. So let's start with our client first. So this is our client when clients are coming to us. They are sad. It's like a starting phase. And it works with every sales call. Whatever you are selling, whatever services that you are selling, it works with all the things. Coaching program, affiliate marketing, you are doing freelancing, you are using in that way. It works in all that stuff. So it starts with here and it ends here. You start with like hi or hello over here, and then it ends with sale or no sale. That is very clear to everyone. Hashtag clear that a client is coming to you, they have problem, they have pain, they want a solution. That's why they are with you. That's why they need your expertise. That's why they need your advice. And at the end, this is the whole path that they are going through. And these are all the questions that you are asking during the conversation so that you can convert that hi and hello to either a sale or a no sale. That is again very clear with everyone. Now, what we are doing here, these are questions like repo questions. You are asking them their current situation, why they are on the phone, why they hate what they are doing, current situation, what is their goal in the next 6 months, 12 months, all that, what's bothering them a lot, why you want to fix that, and all that stuff. After that, at some point, there is a price. And before the price, you tell them your offer. So I'm going to be dividing this whole thing into two parts. This is the first phase. And before even price, you start with your offer. You are asking qualifying questions on the first one. And this is the offer phase. I call it as the first phase as pain, desires, emotions, all that stuff. That is happening in the first page. You are asking a bunch of questions to understand their pain, their desire, their emotion, and all that stuff. Now I have a question for you all today. Where do you think the sale is happening? At what point? Do you think the sale is happening at first phase or the sale is happening at second phase? What you are doing, you are going through the pain, desires, and emotions in the first half. Most of the time, people say, Sahil, I'm not able to close the sale because I messed up over here. I messed up at price. I messed up at offer. As soon as I told them the price, they said, I will come back to you later. I will talk to my husband. I will talk to my wife. I will talk to this partner, all that stuff. And I messed up over here. Sometimes my clients send me the calls to review and they say, can you review this call, Sahil? Why I'm not able to convert it? And every time what they say, Sahil, skip the first part, start at 47 minutes, start at 57 minutes. And I'm like, why? He said, no, that's the point where I tell the price. That's why they give us objections. They give us this excuse and all that. So that's the point where they mess up. And I'm like, no, that's a mistake here. The sale is not happening because you messed up over here. You messed up at the first point, you didn't make them believe why their pain is so bigger that they need a solution today. You didn't make them believe why they need to pay you to fix this problem in the first part. That's why sale didn't happen in the second part. It's never the price, it's never the offer. People are already sold on you on the first part. If you're not going through pain, desire, and emotions, why they need it, they will be coming up with the excuses here. This is the make or break of a sale. This is exactly the make and break of a sale. They decide and admit that they need your help in the first part, then only the sale will happen on the second part. If they don't believe their pain is big enough, if they don't believe you are the right person, if they don't believe even if you have understand them very well or not, if you got all their pains and desires, the sale won't gonna happen in the second half. They will come up, you will get excuses, objection, and all these things are objections. The points that I marked after the price point, it's all objections, the reasons why they don't want to do this, why they want to get off the call right now, they don't want to take any action. We don't spend enough time on the first part. Because of that, they don't feel like it's painful enough for them to buy your stuff. Not spending enough time over here to make them believe that they need to buy now. They need to take action now. People do it opposite. I spend on my calls personally, I spend 80% of time over here or 90% sometimes. And I only spend 10 to 20% time over here. This is a big aha, big lesson I'm giving it to you. Big epiphany here. If you are taking it, this is so deep. What we do is like, here's the script. I'm asking questions. Sahil, I asked questions. And I was moving from one question to second to third to fourth to fifth. And I told them the price and the sale didn't happen. Your job is not to move from one question to another. You have to find one pain point, second pain point, third point. If a person, you are making them aware, you got a big pain, man. And you are asking them at the end, before they even ask you the price, if you don't make this thing believe, if you don't make them believe their pain is so big, they will never take any action. They will hop off a call. They will buy from your competitor, buy from another person who understands more better than what you were trying to do on the sales call.